Hey there guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to your PS5 so you can keep your progress and play on both consoles. So let's actually get started. So the first things first we're going to do is you want to make sure that you actually have, an Epic Games account linked to your Nintendo Switch. Okay, then what you want to do is just open up Fortnite on your Switch and go to the main menu. And from there, guys, you want to navigate to settings and then navigate to account and privacy to basically confirm that your account is actually linked. Now, next, what I want you to do, guys, is, on a computer or mobile device, go to the Epic Games website at epicgames.com, log into the same account that is connected to your Switch. And now once you're logged in, guys, I want you to do this, okay? Click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account, okay? So in the left hand menu, I want you to click on connections and then click on accounts, and here you'll see options to link your PlayStation Network account, your PSN account. So just click on connect next to PlayStation Network, and then just log in with your PSN credentials and just confirm the connection. This will basically link your Fortnite progress to your PS5. Now just over to your PS5 and open a Fortnite. Okay, log in using your PSN account, and basically what's going to happen, guys, is your Fortnite progress from the Nintendo Switch will automatically, sync to your PS5, guys. And that is it, guys. You're now ready to, jump into Fortnite, with all your skins, all your stats, and progress across both consoles. So guys, if this video was helpful, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to the channel so you get notified of the next video. And until next time, guys, see you